Alrighty, so this is how I think this should work for now, at least until we figure out a better way to start doing this. I'm going to be pulling the recordings off the schedule and into this, which is on the last page of both of the stats. Okay, just one of the stats. I'll make another one right now. So when I upload them, or when I put the link here, I'll change the status to unclaimed. When that is there, you then put you are going to take it and change the status to claimed. After you finish it, obviously, you put entered, it's green, and status is grid. Awesome. So, when the link is claimed, you will use this spreadsheet. And when you're doing this, every time you finish this, you're gonna want to clear this back or have a copy of it, however you feel like doing that. So you put the players that you're recording for that time. I'm just gonna do a quick example. I'm not gonna actually do this at this time right now. Big Bucules. Okay. So when you put the names in here, they'll automatically go to this page where you track the plus and minus. I made this to explain the plus and minus, and I'll go over it right now. The players in the first column are the starters. These green numbers to the left calculate the plus and minus for this segment of the game. And these numbers at the top of each column are the total score when the substitution occurs, which means these people are no longer playing. So you start them, and then when the score is 3-2, you sub them out, and this is the new teams. This is going to calculate the plus and minus for that segment, and then you sub new people in when this is 6 and 5, and this will change the plus and minus. This time it was 0 because they went up 2 and they went up 3. What the fuck? It should work on this page, I hope. Okay, I can't do math. That's fucking 3 and 3. Another way to think of it is this column represents the team that contributed to this score. So these green numbers here are calculating the current score minus the previous score minus the opponent's current score minus their previous score, which could basically be said as how much we've scored minus how much they've scored. These rows down here are checks on this to make sure that you only put in 4 players so that you don't accidentally put in a 5th or only 3. These automatically pull from this page And so let's go ahead and put in some fake stats. Did not mean to do that. Just putting in random numbers. Gosh, Hello sucks. So now after you've done that, you will go to that division stat sheet. Who do we have here? Okay, this is the team that Marcel Niakman, Train Rider, and Cesse La Vie are on. Excuse my English. What you'll do is simply copy the entire row of whoever has stats down here. After you have, okay, so you paste them as values. To do that, it's just right click, paste special, paste as values. These don't match because I didn't actually type in their name, but each page has data validation, so you can just type the first few and then it'll automatically enter the rest of it. This automatically updates for whatever you add in here. That's not a number. And everything that gets put here automatically gets pulled to this page. And that's pretty much how it's done. So yeah.